And first of all, please let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Nice. Okay. So thank you for passing the mic to me. Thank you, Kevin, and thank you for joining this meeting. So this webinar, I will cover QDMS and actually the control document management module of QDMS. But first of all, this is the home screen after you log into QDMS. And you can see I log in QDMS by using my web browser. So after deploying QDMS on your server, like on-premise server or cloud server, you can connect to QDMS anytime and anywhere with using the web browser. And this is the admin account. And you can see, or you can tell from the top right of the screen, it shows you the username. And you can find all the pending tasks and requests for approval on this home screen, which allows you to get a quick connect to those requests. And it makes sure you won't miss any task in QDMS. And on the top left, this is the main menu of QDMS, and you can find all the available modules on your server. And then let's get to control document management module. In this module, first of all, you can read the document. And QDMS support different file type that you upload in the system. For example, like specification, procedures, or SOP, regulations that for complying with the regulation or standard like like BRC, like FDA, like ISO. And on the left, you can find a nice folder structure. And this helps you to organize your folder and document in QDMS. And you can click the folder and go into one. And the content of your document will be shown in the built-in browser of QDMS, which means you don't need any other software to read the content of your document. And QDMS support your document in different file format. For example, PDF, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even video, audio. And this is the content of my document. Okay, and you can read it in the built-in browser of QDMS, and all the activities of the user carry out against this document will be recorded in the log of QDMS. You can find the date and time and what is the activity type. And in this module, of course, you can create a new document. So you can select the folder that you want to put your document at, and to the next step. Then you have to enter a unique document code and the name of it. And while uploading a new document or revising an existing document, you can manage the permission to the users based on their group, position, profession, or department. You can manage the permission like reading, printing, revising, getting back to the previous version, and delete a document. You can also manage the distribution list, which means which user or group has the obligation to read this document when it is uploaded to the system or revised in the system. And you can also manage the approval flow for uploading this new document. For example, I'm going to add Kevin into the approval flow. And this is my account, like Bimser, int, admin. So I want to have Kevin as the last approver, which means now once this document is sent into the system, it will be sent to my account for approval first. And after my approval, it will be sent to Kevin for another approval. And right here, we can upload our document from our local drive. which I'm going to add a document, and you can see the file upload successfully. And at last, we can send this into the approval flow. And as I mentioned before, it would be sent to myself. The permission, okay, we have to manage right here. And this, for example, I just want to keep this user or myself into the permission matrix. And we can delete all of them and send it into the flow. Again, let me do this once again. And after that, it will be sent to me, my account for approval. Right here, you can see it's waiting for my approval. And I can find this request right on my home screen. Document for approval request, which allow me and remind me all the task and the request is waiting for my approval right on this home screen. And you can delete and revise the document in this module and also manage the folder structure. Again, only the user with the permission can manage the folder in this module because all the activities, it is role-based based on your position, profession, department, and group. So you can add a new document or change the name of your folder here, and also manage the default authorization matrix and approval matrix as well. At last, you can see the reporting tool in this module, which allows you to generate the ready-made report. For example, like document status report. And you can generate this report right here by setting up some condition to your report and create it. And now you can find all the documents in the list in different status. And you are more than welcome to use the search function or the search bar, which is provided in QDMS. And in the system infrastructure, we integrate the information like employees, customer name, and our product with Archimedica. So let me show you how we can make some changes in Archimedica and it's reflect on QDMS. So this is the employee list that I have. So for example, I have Michael, Andrews, and I can also find the same employee information in Archimedica. And this is Archimedica page, excuse me, right here. And Michael Andrews. So what if we make some changes in Archimedica? So for example, like change Michael to like Mike, and then we save it. So you will see the changes will reflect in in QDMS as well. So this is the page, and same thing how we can manage for the customer name. So we can have our customer name and also our product. We can change like the stock item that we have in Archimedica and change the name or make some changes. And those will change in all the record will change in QDMS as well. So let us come back to the home page. And we schedule the task in our server, and it takes place every minutes. So let us come back to the employee list. And it's take a little time for it to run and update the record that we have. And in the meantime, we can also find the changes in customer and also the product. And then let's come back to the employee. Okay. And it is running. So we can see if it is updated yet. And we come back again. Let me show you is okay. Okay, not yet. And then we double check it. Okay, and it is warning. It is still warning. And by the way, this is how we can integrate QDMS and Acumatica, and we can connect it to any fields in Acumatica, as long as we have the integration and the task warning. Then let's go back. And I'm going to find 001. Okay, and there, 1 second. And I believe the task is warning. Yes, it is almost done. Okay. Let's get it another minute. It's almost. For my screen, it is 80%. So it is almost done. Okay, and let's see now if it is ready. Should be ready now. Okay, and here we go. We have Mike Andrews. So again, this is how we can or that's how we do the integration of QDMS and Acumatica. And we can integrate with any fields in Acumatica. And it's come to the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.